Let's be real. You're not just looking for four walls and a roof. You want something that lasts, something that makes life easier and looks good doing it. From backyard sheds and workshops to garages and beyond, our buildings are made to fit your space, your style, and your needs. Every building is pre-engineered and made from commercial-grade steel, coated with Galvalume Plus to take on wind, rain, and snow without breaking a sweat. The seamless arch design turns heads and gives you 100% usable space inside. No beams, no nonsense. And with a 50-year warranty backing every build, you're getting more than just a structure. You're getting serious peace of mind. With SteelMaster, you're not just buying a building. You're getting something solid, something that lasts, something you can count on when it matters most. Built tough, built to last, built for you.